Last night, Sara Ali Khan specially returned from Dehradun to celebrate Sushant Singh Rajput's birthday at midnight. She visited his residence with a cake and the couple went out for dinner. Our source reveals that Sushant dropped Sara home and they spent some time together. Well, this makes us think as to what's cooking between the two. Are they just the closest of friends, or will the bonding develop into something more meaningful?